Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a document with DocuSign. So first, you're going to open DocuSign in your browser and you want to make sure that you're logged in because it's required to have an account to be able to use the website. And if it's your first time using DocuSign, you're going to click on Start over here where you'll be able to upload your file and it will ask you to create a new signature since it's your first time using the website. But if you've already used the website before, you already have your signature, you can actually also create a new signature or change your signature by clicking on your signature over here near your profile icon. So you'll be able to see a lot of signature options over here with your name written in cursive or your initials as well. Or you can also draw a new signature over here where you can also upload your e-signature if you have one. So I'm just going to choose a signature over here and I'm going to click on Create. Now I'm going to click on Start. Then I'm going to upload my document over here. And over at Add Recipients, I'm just going to click on I'm the only signer. Now I'm going to click on Sign over here at the bottom right corner. Since I've already made my signature, what I have left to do is to just click on Signature over here at the left sidebar. And then it will automatically give me my signature. And then I'm just going to drag it over here and place it to where I want the signature to be. And that's it. Just click on Finish and you're done. Thanks for watching.